I need an extra pair of hands. Ugh. I am super pumped about this. Varla sent me another electric scooter. This is the Pro. So they started off with the Pegasus, the Eagle One, and now they've got the Pro. So let's get this thing unboxed. Lots of styrofoam. Actually, no, like not styrofoam, just regular foam. So looks like they put a lot of effort into ensuring that everything is safe. All right, let's get this thing out. My head's gonna be off camera here because sadly, my wife is not available for filming today. She's feeling a bit under the weather, so. I need an extra pair of hands. I did it. Whew. Holy jumping. It's a big one. This is not a little scooter, that's for sure. I should probably get some clippers. Big kickstand. At the bottom of the box, there's another little box. Looks like the accessories. Sounds like accessories. Let's just do a quick tidy up here. Alrighty, inside the box, we've got one bell, charging brick, 2 amp hours, multi-tool. What I'm gonna do now is mount the display, check the brakes, mount the bell, make sure all the nuts are nice and tight, and then get ready for a full review. Alrighty, so quick unscrew of all these. I've got a faster way. It looks like they've got NFC tags on here as well. That's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go and stop this now because I don't understand something. There are 2 plugs coming out of the LCD, but there's only the one plug on the harness down here. So I found it. It's right here. It's the throttle. That makes so much sense. Alrighty, so if I can do this, anybody can do this. Alrighty, before I tighten everything up here, the moment of truth. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, there's a light on and off. That's handy. This is exciting. So this is obviously a beast of a scooter. I'm really looking forward to doing a full review. I'll be doing comparison video with the other Varlas. I'll be doing lots of videos with this. I can tell right off the bat. I'm liking a lot of things about this already. I haven't seen any reviews, so any review that I make will be completely my own. Varla, in fact, they just sent it. They don't say anything. They're just like, here you go. So I will be making an unbiased review very soon.